compromise in any children. Like most of the children think like the teachers love him most, not me. And most of the people think she only beat me, not him. Like she never compromise in anyone. If you will study hard and then you will, and if you get good marks in the test, then teacher will also give you attention also. Like if you don't get any if you don't get good numbers in the test, then also the teachers give you attention more than that children who got good marks. Like most of the children think that she gives attention. This is not that thing, because she don't compromise in anything. She doesn't compromise in anything. So, yeah.
Discussion has been taken place, and I have heard about all the things. What do you think about teachers? What's your definition about the teacher? And how do you feel when a teacher smiles and talks to you very nicely? And that's a really very important things. And I really appreciate that you also have a feeling for teachers. That's why in this Happy Teachers Day, I wish you a blessed time, so that you can grow your time, and you can develop, and you can be really successful. You can be blessed with your dream, and your dream may come true. Really, I pray to God, to Almighty, that your destination, your goal in life may be achieved by you very, very easily, with very adventurous ways and very effort, with great effort, and very entertaining. Really.
अरे वाह, बहुत अच्छी बात है। बाहर खेलने मत जाया करो, बस फोन में ही लगा करो। तुमने अपनी जिंदगी इस फोन को ही बना लिया है। केस का ट्रांसलेशन है, अरे वाह, आज तो तुम खुश होगी क्योंकि तुम्हारे स्कूल में फंक्शन जो है, आज तो तुम खूब मजे करोगे।
Okay, and the translation is, oh wow, so today you will be so happy because today there is the function in your school. So today you will be doing so much fun. अरे वाह, मुझे तुम पर गर्व है कि तुम अपनी पूरी कक्षा में टॉप, क्योंकि तुमने अपनी पूरी कक्षा में टॉप किया है। आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
You are the topper in your class, and I am very happy today.
Very good, but it is needed to write the translation so that we can discuss the grammars, if there is any grammar errors and all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So Rajesh, you now ask Shikha to, so that she can answer any kind of sentence. Yes.
Okay. जैसे ही मैं स्टेशन पहुंचा, गाड़ी वहां से निकल चुकी थी। Is it right?
Yeah, correct.
I wrote that is, by the time I reached the station, the train was left.
It will start from no sooner. No sooner I had reached the station, the train had left. Yes. Yes, you have to start from no sooner.
So my translation is, दो मिनट रुको, अभी मूवी मत चलाना, मैं अभी चिप्स लेके आ रहा हूँ, जब दोनों मिलकर देखेंगे। ओके, अरे 2 मिनट रुक जाओ, मैं अभी चिप्स लेके आ रहा हूँ, जब ही मूवी चलाना, फिर दोनों साथ में बैठकर खाएंगे।
मूवी ऑन। I'm going to take chips, and after that we will have it together.
Yeah, wait for a minute. Let me bring some.
for a minute.
Yeah, let me bring some chips, and after that we shall be enjoying the movie all together. Yeah. Okay. Very good.
मेंबर्स हमेशा रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम करते हैं किसी भी काम के लिए.
Opposite members always blame the ruling government for any work.
Very good. You are communicating with someone. Okay, you are answering. So your answer should be not be in the short form. Your answer should be at least explanation should be there, information should be there, informative reply should be there. Okay, did you understand, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Are you? Did you understand, Shikha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my first question is to Rajesh. Hello, Shikha, please unmute
Yes,
your
ma'am.
mic. Yeah, Rajesh, your question is how it is possible for everyone to learn the English very faster. If a person wants to learn English very faster, then what are the good or challenges he should accept and he should go through, and he should make or he or she should make her journey better day by day, and he can or she can make the fluency better. So what's your views? Share your views about this question. Did you get to know what I am going to ask you? What is the...
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. According to me, it's a nice question, and actually, according to me, if somebody asks to me, then how can we learn the English and how can we be fluent? And actually, speaking English and reading English is a long journey. It's not a things of overnight, and it cannot be done overnight. But somehow there is nothing impossible. Anybody can learn it. Anybody can speak it because it's a language. First of all, we have to set our mindset that it's a language, and apart from language, it's an international language. It's not our mother tongue language. Some difficulties we may face, but we have to prepare our minds. So according to me, there are couple of steps, then we can follow it and we can be fluent and we can be good in English. First of all, grammar part, if anybody follow the rules of grammars, so and inculcate it in our DNA. Your grammar should be perfect and your grammar should be fine. First one is that. And second one, if anybody is stronger in vocabulary, then vocabulary plays a very important, very vital role in our speaking fluency. But the question is, from where we can find the vocabulary? We do not need to cram the dictionary actually. Some people ask me that there are lots of vocabulary, so how can we learn it? How can we cram it? Some people buy the dictionary also, but according to me, there are lots of words we can find in our daily routine, daily life, from newspaper as well as our daily conversation. So write it down on the vocabulary parts and just cram it. It's not the things of understanding. Vocabulary, you have to cram it. It's very important. If we do not listen to somebody, if we do not be a good speaker, then if we do not be a good listener, then we cannot be a good speaker, fine speaker. First of all, set your motivational speakers, like we have to speak like that. We have to think like that what the person is speaking. Like according to me, if somebody asks me that which person I influenced by, which I am influenced by which persons, so my answer should be like I am the very much fond of Ajit Doval. I followed from the couple of months before.
Very good answer you have made, Rajesh. You have learned vocabulary. That means your suggestion is we should focus on vocabulary, we should focus on listening part, we should focus on listening to the speakers who are highly speaking about the motivational speeches and all, and we should be very willing from our side to learn English. These three things are there. If there is, then we can make our fluency better and we can grab this language. Very good answer. Thank you, Rajesh. So my next question is not the next question. My next question, no, it is the same question to Karan. Please ask Karan, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So what are the things one should change or one should do for learning English language very easily? Please answer.